If you're responsible for calibration or quality at a high-tech manufacturer, you face many quality, production, and compliance challenges every day. Fortunately, there's powerful software that can help. CERDAAC Service Manager is advanced calibration, maintenance, quality, and compliance management software that can improve your quality, productivity, and compliance. Service Manager is widely used by leading biomedical, aerospace, and high-tech manufacturers to manage their services, instruments, staff, and facilities. To achieve your quality and compliance goals, Service Manager can automate your complete calibration and maintenance workflow, including work requests, service scheduling, notifications, and more. All of your workflow records and audit logs are saved in Service Manager, so you're always audit ready, even if you have hundreds of locations around the world. To help you comply with regulations, Service Manager has been validated and has compliance features such as digital signatures and case management. Service Manager's real-time executive dashboards and reports provide the insights you need to properly manage your quality program. You can use any of the 80 standard reports or create your own custom reports. Certifications for employees and facilities can also be easily managed. Service Manager's expiration reminders and escalation notices ensure your quality and compliance requirements are met. Service Manager's unique Use Trace feature traces which instruments are used on your manufactured or service products. This helps you quickly resolve quality problems and avoid costly product failures and recalls. Service Manager's powerful forms engine with electronic signatures lets you easily create electronic forms to replace paper with digital templates. Service Manager's Asset Tracker simplifies physical inventory and reduces capital expenses by scanning and identifying asset status and location. Service Manager is a secure, cloud-based solution that users can easily access through their web browser. Because it's a cloud solution, Service Manager requires no additional costs for IT hardware, support, or validation. To learn more about how Service Manager can improve your calibration, maintenance, and quality program, contact Simco at 866-299-6029 or email info@simco.com.